Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a travel writer? To wake up in a different country each week, your only job? To capture the essence of a place with words? Picture this: the shrill sound of an alarm clock rousing you from sleep, the sun barely peeking over the horizon. You're already on your feet, your suitcase open, ready to be filled with the essentials for your next journey. The allure of being a travel writer is undeniable. There's a certain rush in the unpredictability, a thrill in the unknown. Every day is a surprise, with each sunrise offering a fresh start, a new story to tell, a different culture to uncover. You might be drinking coffee in a Parisian cafe one day, trekking through the jungles of Costa Rica the next. No 2 days are the same. For a travel writer, the world is their office, and every new day can be an adventure. Before the journey starts, a travel writer must prepare. This isn't just packing a suitcase, it's studying maps, researching culture, and planning the story angles. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the preparation phase. Picture an artist before a blank canvas. The artist doesn't just splash paint willy-nilly. There's thought, there's planning, there's an idea of what the final piece should look like. And it's very much the same for a travel writer. The first step is often researching the location. This isn't merely about looking up the best hotels or attractions. It's about understanding the fabric of the place, the pulse of the city, or the rhythm of the countryside. It's about knowing the history, the geography, the climate, and even the politics. It's about finding those hidden gems that aren't in the guidebooks. It's about being aware of the challenges or issues that might arise and knowing how to navigate them. Next comes studying the culture. This is an essential part of the process. Without understanding the culture, a travel writer might miss out on the nuances that make a place unique or misinterpret certain practices or traditions. It's about appreciating the local cuisine, the art, the music, the festivals, all the things that breathe life into a place and its people. Then there's planning the story angles. This is where the creativity really comes into play. A travel writer isn't just a tourist with a notebook. They're storytellers, looking for narratives that can captivate, inform, and inspire. They're seeking out the stories that lie beneath the surface, the tales that capture the essence of a place. All of this preparation is vital. It's what allows a travel writer to step into a new place and feel at home, to navigate unfamiliar streets with ease, to connect with locals on a deeper level, and to tell the stories that need to be told. Preparation is key. The more you know about a place, the more vividly you can bring it to life with your words. The journey begins with notebook in hand. A travel writer steps into a new world, ready to capture every detail. This is where the magic happens. The plane lands, the train pulls into the station, or the car parks in a new town. The world outside is a blank canvas waiting to be filled with the vibrant colors of experience and observation. As a travel writer, one is not merely a visitor, but an observer, a participant, a storyteller. Every detail matters. The way the morning sun lights up the cobblestone streets, the aroma of a local bakery wafting through the air, the hushed whispers of the locals in the market square, all these and more are the brushstrokes that paint the vivid picture of a place. The notepad becomes an extension of the senses. Scribbled notes, hastily captured thoughts, impressions, and feelings. These are the raw materials from which the story is crafted. And the story isn't just about the place, it's about the people. The locals who breathe life into the town, their customs, their way of life, their stories. They are the heart and soul of the narrative. Interviews with locals are not just conversations, they're gateways into the soul of the place. They could be with the old man who has seen the town change over decades, the young woman who dreams of the world beyond, or the child who innocently captures the spirit of the place. Each person has a unique perspective, a different story to tell. And then there are the experiences. The savoring of local delicacies, the thrill of a traditional dance, the serenity of a sacred ritual. These are the moments that touch the heart and soul, the moments that become a part of the writer. The road is not always easy. There are challenges, there are hurdles. But every challenge is a lesson, every hurdle an opportunity to grow. The road may be rough, but the rewards are priceless. Every encounter, every taste, every sound, it all becomes part of the narrative. This is the life of a travel writer. This is the joy of being on the road. With a treasure trove of experiences, it's time to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard. This is where the magic happens. In the heart of every travel writer lies an artist, a storyteller. The journey doesn't end when the bags are unpacked. It continues as we delve into the realm of recollection, reliving every moment, every sensation, and weaving them into a tapestry of words. Finding the right words, however, can be as challenging as scaling the tallest peak or navigating the busiest marketplace. Each word is a brushstroke, each sentence a thread. They must capture the essence of the experience, the beauty of the location, the richness of the culture. They must paint a picture so vivid, so alive, that readers can almost taste the exotic cuisine, feel the sun's warm rays, hear the bustling city's rhythm. And yet even the most seasoned writers occasionally stumble upon the dreaded writer's block. It's like standing at the mouth of a dark tunnel, unsure of where it leads. But fear not. Every tunnel has an end. Every block can be overcome. Sometimes it just takes a step back, a deep breath and a fresh perspective. Some find solace in a quiet corner with a cup of tea. Others find inspiration in the chaos of a crowded cafe. There's no right or wrong way, just your way. But oh, the satisfaction when the words start to flow, when the story begins to take shape. It's a dance, a symphony, a masterpiece in the making. It's the thrill of creating something from nothing, of giving life to your experiences, of sharing your journey with the world. It's a process, a journey in itself, filled with trials and triumphs, frustrations and fulfillments. Crafting the story is not just about recounting events, it's about connecting, about inspiring, about sparking that wanderlust in others. It's about showing the world through your eyes, about sharing your heart, your soul. Writing is a craft, and like any craft it takes patience, skill, and a dash of creativity. So, what's the payoff? Why choose a life of perpetual movement, of constant discovery, one might ask? Well, the answer, my dear friends, lies not just in the journey, but in the stories that spring forth from it. Being a travel writer is akin to being a modern-day explorer, charting the unseen territories of the world and the human experience. Your backpack becomes your vessel, your pen, your compass, as you traverse through the diversity of landscapes, cultures, and people. Every new place you visit, every person you meet, every dish you try becomes a part of your story. It's like weaving a tapestry, each thread a unique tale of adventure and discovery. But the real joy, the real reward lies in sharing these experiences with the world. Imagine being able to transport someone to the bustling markets of Marrakesh with just your words, or to make them feel the icy chill of the Arctic winds without them having to step out of their comfort zones. That, my friends, is the power of a travel writer. There's a thrill in this profession, an adrenaline rush that comes from stepping out of the known and into the unknown. The satisfaction of creating captivating stories, of painting vivid pictures with your words, is unmatched. It's like being a magician, conjuring up worlds and experiences from the depths of your imagination and the breadth of your experiences. Travel writing is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. It's about the people you meet, the friendships you forge, the experiences you gather. It's about looking at the world with fresh eyes every day and finding the extraordinary in the ordinary. So it's not just about the miles covered or the stamps on your passport, it's about the stories spun, the lives touched, the worlds created. For a travel writer, the reward isn't just in the journey, but in the stories they get to tell. They bring the world to people's doorsteps, one word at a time. A travel writer's life isn't for everyone. It's a path filled with challenges, but also immense rewards. It's a journey that begins with the breaking dawn of a new adventure, followed by diligent research and preparation. As a travel writer, you'll find yourself constantly on the road, embracing the unknown and crafting stories from the experiences you encounter. The challenges are as real as the rewards, overcoming writer's block, facing the pressure of deadlines, and finding ways to make your stories resonate with readers. But the rewards are plentiful. The thrill of discovering new places, the joy of immersing in different cultures, and the satisfaction of inspiring others with your words. If you're willing to embrace the unknown, to venture into the unexplored, perhaps the life of a travel writer awaits you. After all, the world is full of stories and they're waiting for someone to tell them.